Alexa, who are you?
Hey there. Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud based AI.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's check out the Echo Dot 4th generation Alexa smart speaker with clock. This is the upgraded version to the 3rd generation Echo Dot. Let's unbox this and see what's inside the box. There are two colors available, blue and white. There is also one more variant which doesn't have a display. You can get it for 3649 approx during the deals and offers. Okay, this is the box. Okay, the Echo Dot with clock which shows time and weather information, everything on. Powered by Alexa. So you can see some specifications: LED display, aux audio output, Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, mic on/off button, and different apps which are supported by Alexa. Okay, let's see what's inside. Opening the box is really simple. Just pull the sticker.
It's delicious.
Okay, this is the adapter which powers the Alexa. It doesn't have built-in battery or nothing. It's a 15 watt and 12 volts adapter. You should plug it in to switch on the Alexa. Let's look into the speaker now. Okay, there are some booklets here. Important information about the Echo Dot and the user manual. Okay, how to power on, functions of the buttons and the ports, what you can say, how you can try with the Echo Dot, things to try. Everything was mentioned here. Let's keep all this aside and look at the speaker. Okay, this is the speaker. It's covered with a plastic wrap around it. Okay, it feels very sturdy. It's compact in size and the quality is very good. We have some buttons on the top, the volume plus and the minus, the mic on off and the Alexa wake up button. And we have ports on the back, the DC input for power and the audio output to connect external speakers. It's rubber on the bottom for good grip. Let's power this on by plugging in the adapter.
It's delicious.
As soon as you power on, you can see a light around it which lights up. The first boot takes some time. It says hello when it boots up on the display. There you go. Okay, this is now in setup mode. Let's set up this using the Alexa app on the mobile. Let's connect this to the Wi-Fi. You need Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. You need internet to activate. Let's open the app. Head to Play Store and search for Alexa app. Download it. Install the Alexa app and open it. Sign in with your Amazon account. Okay, press and hold the function button. It's entered into, okay, now it entered into setup mode. Allow location and all the settings.
Wi-Fi isn't set up. For help, go to your Alexa app.
Searching for the device. Searches automatically. Okay. Okay, you can find the Alexa device here. Go dot for generation. Searching for the Wi-Fi. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi and enter the password, and it's connecting to Wi-Fi. That's it. It's connected. It will be connected to your Amazon account and to your phone. There you go. It's a timer. You can see the time, weather, and everything on it. It's really bright. You can also adjust the brightness. You can also set it for automatically adjust, or you can change it manually. There you go, it's automatic now. Alexa, play a song for me. Ask for different things like
Here's a
play a
station you
song.
might like. Bollywood Party on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, switch off the clock. Alexa, switch on the clock. In the app, we have different commands which you can say to Alexa to play. Alexa, help me sleep. Alexa, open Wild Planet. All the commands you can find on the app itself.
It's delicious.
We also have categories here. You can choose from it. All the categories are here. There's a lot of options to choose. Different categories. You have some buttons on the top. Mic disable. You can disable the mic, and it's a volume plus and the volume minus. Decrease and increase the volume. We also have a Alexa wake up button in case the voice command is not working. You can get this for 4,149 during deals on Amazon, but right now it's priced at 5,499. You can control all the smart appliances, smart devices in your house using Alexa, like TVs, fans, smart lights. Every device which supports Alexa can be controlled using this. The quality is really super. We also have a Dolby Digital one. It supports Dolby Audio, which is cost around 7,000 something. And on this also we have good audio. It's very responsive. Even if there is a song playing or something, if you call Alexa, it wakes up. But the only con I see is whenever power goes off, it switches off because it doesn't have a battery backup. It's directly powered by a 12-volt adapter. It takes some time. To power on again, like you see here. That's it. Apart from that, everything is good. The quality is very good. The sound quality is good. The response and everything. It responds very quick. Everything is good. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and like to the video. Check this out if you like the product on Amazon. Thank you.